wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From East to West.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia. Welcome back to
Dream Again!
Yay!
We're excited about this one. Well, I'm super excited.
Yeah. Noah is so excited all morning. All he could talk about was this game. Yeah, and then he went and he took all the cars and he put them together just so and made sure they were the right colors and put the signs up. Look at this.
Yeah.
Wow, Noah, you did a lot of good work.
Yeah, I built us an airport. I know that the bottom, like the carpet, isn't the right thing, but this is the only one that we had, and Mommy said that I couldn't get the newest one.
I think this one's perfect.
So I was
it's
a little
like
bit
a really
creative.
fun runway.
Yeah, so I was a little bit creative in the one that we already have, and I figured we would use it. So there are a couple of things. Let me tell the kids,
Okay,
right?
yeah.
So right here I have our gasoline tanks.
Ooh.
And why do we need them? Well, you see all of the airplanes lined up.
Yeah.
We will need to bring gasoline to the airplanes so they can fly in the sky.
And they can touch a rainbow.
Exactly. But the only problem is right there we have a small little construction. So it's going to be taking a little bit longer for them to travel from here to there. So we have to take that into consideration.
Yeah.
And then what how about you tell us what you have over there?
Oh, on my side, in the back right here, I have the boxes that are all the suitcases and everything packed up so they can go on their trip.
We call that cargo.
Cargo. We have the cargo. And then up here, I have the buses. And the buses have all the people that need to get on the planes.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have to take, after the planes get gassed up, then we have to take the buses with the people and the cargo onto the plane so they can take off.
Exactly. So let me go through the airlines. Up front, we have Korean Airlines.
Ooh.
And then next to that is American Airlines. And then we have an Italian Iberia Airlines.
Ooh.
Or actually, they might be Spanish. I don't know. Who knows? And then we have Lufthansa. That's my favorite because they're German. And German mechanics are really, really good. Good engineering. And then last, we have Thai Airlines. And they're very, very luxurious.
Yeah, they have really, really good food. Pad Thai, delicious.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are all of the airlines. So what we're going to do is, because we want to make sure that the airlines are ready to fly, there are 3 things we need to do.
Okay.
First is we need to bring the gas to the airplanes.
That's number 1.
Then we need to bring the cargo to the airplanes.
That's number 2.
So we can't forget the suitcases and also the food.
Yeah, because otherwise what would you do when you get to the beach and you don't have a swimsuit?
Exactly. And then last, we're going to bring the passengers to the airplanes.
Number 3.
And then the airplanes are ready to fly in the sky.
They'll fly, and that's number 4. Yay.
Yep.
Okay.
That was actually, the flying was number 4. Okay, sorry. Okay, so are we ready?
Yep, I'm ready.
Okay, so I'll start with the gasoline trucks, okay?
Okay, let's start.
Okay. I'm coming.
Okay,
I'm gonna do the construction. Ooh, I have to stop. I have to wait for the construction. Vroom. Okay, can I move now?
Now let's go.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, American Airlines needs gas, so I'm coming. Okay, and the next one is our Shell tanker.
Okay.
I'm coming.
Oh,
do I have to wait again?
you have to wait.
Oh no.
Dump some dirt. And then pick up some dirt.
Okay, can I come?
Hold on.
Please. I need to quickly get to the
now your
airplane.
turn.
To get all the way around.
Ooh, yeah. That's a long way around.
Yeah. Now it's Lufthansa. They need gas too.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
They all need gas.
They're
huh?
gassing up. Okay, I think by now we can have our seaplane fly.
Woo!
It's ready to fly.
Woo! Seaplane! Wow, Noah, that was a really good jump.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
amazing. Okay.
So now we're all gassed up, so I can drive back.
Okay. And now I need to. Oh, I gotta wait for the other gas tank
Yep.
to move.
Okay, I'm gonna move this one too.
Okay.
Oops. Okay, the gas tankers are getting more gasoline again.
Okay, and now I'm gonna take the cargo on, right?
Yeah, you need to bring the cargo to the planes.
Yep. So I'm gonna go vroom, 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 to the very front one to Korean Air and American.
Okay, I'll help
Okay.
you unload.
Okay.
Okay.
Awesome. Okay, and now we're gonna do the next one, and it goes vroom, 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 vroom.
And which ones?
Air Mexico and Lufthansa.
Okay.
And this one doesn't have any cargo.
The Nighthawk.
Oh, this one has a big cargo. Hold on. Vroom, 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 vroom.
We're just gonna open the back door.
Yep.
You need to back up.
Okay.
Doot, 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 doot. And I'll help you open the doors.
Thank you.
There we go. Now the cargo can be unloaded.
Awesome. Okay, and now I should pull away the first truck. Yeah.
Yep, but they're empty now. The cargo has been put into
Yeah.
the airplane.
Great.
So now these are empty and they can be filled up again
Okay.
for the next load.
Doot, 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 doot,
And
doot.
same with these.
Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh. Vroom. And park. And vroom. Vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Oh no, the
Oops. There was a small car accident.
oh no.
Let's fix the cargo.
Let's fix the cargo.
Okay.
There we go.
All right, and then this one's empty too, right?
That
Nighthawk?
one's, yep. Let me close it
Okay,
again.
close it up.
Okay.
Please. Thank you. And then we're just gonna do vroom, vroom.
Oh, don't hit the airplane.
Boop. I'll start again. Vroom. There we go. And
Now we need the passengers.
I'll drive it over there.
Yeah.
Okay. This bus sounds so.
Here, I'll help you.
Thank you.
Okay. So now
Okay.
those passengers can now all load into that airplane.
Awesome.
And then the green bus are all the American passengers.
Okay.
We're going to fly from Los Angeles to New York.
Ooh, New York City.
Yay!
Yay,
Okay.
New York. Okay. Now, do you want to drive this one?
Sure.
Okay, you drive that one. Oops.
Oops, there's our parking lot.
Yep.
Okay.
Nice.
Now
Okay.
they're all unloading.
Okay.
So now the last one is a Happy Holidays
Happy
bus.
holidays. Ooh.
They're going to go from Boston to Germany.
Okay.
So they're gonna fly with Lufthansa.
Okay. So I'm gonna go. And this one, they're probably like singing carols or something because it's a holiday trip.
Yeah, do you want to sing one?
Yeah.
Happy holidays! Happy holidays! We're going to a foreign country.
Yay! We're going to Germany.
Now, all of the passengers have gotten into the plane. They all have their seats. And I think the airplanes are ready. They've been gassed up. They have all of the cargo. And now all of the passengers are in. So I think we're ready now. How about we bring the buses back to the parking lot now that it's safe again?
Okay, I'll drive this one.
Okay, I'll drive this one.
There.
And then I'll drive this one backwards.
Okay.
Doot, 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 doot. Happy holidays!
Happy holidays.
Happy holidays!
Have a good
Have
vacation.
a good vacation!
Yay, vacation time.
Okay,
Okay.
so go. All of the airplanes are ready to fly. Which one do you want to fly first? How about we first fly from back to forward?
Okay, sounds good.
Okay.
Do you want to do the first one?
No, you do the first one.
Okay, so
Tower. Thai airline, you're ready for takeoff.
thank you, sir.
Whoa! Nice one. Lufthansa, here we go. Passengers, please put on your seatbelt. Okay, Air Mexico, you are now ready for liftoff.
All right, here I go. Everybody do up your seatbelts and it's gonna be clear skies. Woo!
Oh, look, Olivia.
Oh,
There's the American airline plane.
here they come.
And they're landing in New York. Ooh. Wow, that was a beautiful landing, wasn't it?
Yeah, that was a wonderful landing. Oh, wait. American Airlines, we'd like to congratulate you on a safe and happy flight.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And we landed in the Big Apple, which is
Woo!
New York!
Yay!
New York!
New York.
Okay, well, it's the first time that we're here, right? So I want to see the Empire State Building and the Statue of Liberty. It's going to be lots of fun.
Yeah, and I want to go to Broadway.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah. And
Maybe we can watch The Lion King.
Ooh, I bet we can. That would be really, really fun.
Yep. So that would be awesome. So why don't we take the kids maybe on one of our trips too, but not now, but in the future.
Yep, we'll do another trip with you guys, yeah.
Yep, sounds good.
Yay, that sounds great.
Cool.
Okay.
Well, I think that's it for our episode for today.
Yep.
I hope you enjoyed our airplane and airport and everything around the airport episode. That was really fun.
Yeah, it was really, really good time. Thanks for setting all this up, Noah.
Oh, and thanks for playing with me. I was super excited.
Super excited! Yay! And now the Big Apple is going to be amazing.
Yep. Okay. Well, thanks, kids, for watching, and we hope to see you next time.
Yeah, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye. Start spreading the news.
New York.
New York.
Yay.
Yay.
I'm so excited.
Me too.
Okay.
This was great. We should play again.
Yep.
Okay.
I like playing this game.
Me too. I like them flying.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there! If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!